Hi, Kyle. I think this is a great idea. You know, all right. So since we're on a time crunch, I recommend just doing the intro. Don't bother about the end. I want you to put the best effort into this you can possibly do. One place to start is to go a place like thefont.com. They've got the free fonts. Look for something creative. You know, show show the viewer that you can bring life to maybe a delicate signature, or you can um, show emotion with like heavy, aggressive fonts. So just really what you want to do as a motion graphics artist is to show emotion, right? And a good place to start, in fact, it's probably 75% of the effort is to find the right font. And then from there, before you even get started, just go through examples on the internet of what's cool right now and what appeals to you, and put that in your head before you even start sketching or thinking of your ideas. Look at that. Amazing. But anyway, you get the point, and I look forward to it. I love motion graphics. I think it's a great idea. There's a lot of work for that out there. Let me know if you have any questions.